Slow down. This message is meant to bring relief. God says, I'm about to restore what stress has been stealing from you. Stress drained your energy. It crowded your thoughts. It robbed your sleep. It made simple things feel heavy. You kept going anyway. You pushed through exhaustion. You learned how to function tired. But God says, you were never meant to live in constant tension. Stress stole your joy. It shortened your patience. It dimmed your creativity. And God says, I am giving back what pressure took. I am restoring peace to your mind. I am renewing strength in your body. I am returning clarity to your thoughts. This restoration will feel gentle, not rushed, not forced. God says, you don't have to earn rest and you receive it. You won't have to fight to relax. You won't have to force calm. Peace will settle naturally. You'll sleep deeper. You'll think clearer. You'll smile without effort. God says, stress will no longer dictate your days. You will respond instead of react. You will move with wisdom instead of urgency. You will carry responsibility without pressure. This is not escape. This is balance. So release what you've been carrying. Stop rehearsing worries. Let go of control. Because God says, I'm about to restore what stress has been stealing from you, and your peace will return stronger than before.